Good morning. Welcome to our day. Welcome to our day. Look at him. Look at him. He's so wiggly. And he's cute. Let's try and focus on him. I think we might be looking at his butt right now. Yeah, because look at his little face. Oh, look at this one. Where's his face too? I can't tell. Oh, he's down here. Oh. My camera is so shit, babe. You can kind of see him. I think he's literally like hanging upside down on the side of the pot, eating. Which, if I was a caterpillar, I'm pretty sure I'd be doing the same thing. Why bother walking around to the bottom when you can just hang off the edge? That's what I say. We got one on the top. Let's see if we can focus on that one. The light is in a really bad position right now. Ooh, 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 look at him. He's so cute. Hi. Look at his little legs. Keep focusing. Look how cute he is. Oh, oh shit. What? Oh, oh, there we go. We got him walking. Oh, 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 oh.
Something fell.
What fell?
Something in there.
I didn't notice. I was too busy watching the, Okay, now the caterpillar's down. The caterpillar walks through midair. Technically he's on the side of the pot, but it does look like he's walking in midair. Ooh, 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 ooh. Stupid sunlight. Look at his face. Is that not a cute face? Should be using our, like, zoom lens, babe.
Yeah.
Do that later. Look at it. It's so mesmerizing. Hi, he's waving.
Oops.
That was cute.
Whilst we were out in the car the other day, Soph said that the seatbelt was starting to hurt her neck. So I went online to look for seatbelt covers, and they were really expensive for like really cool looking ones, like ones with unicorns or rainbows, anything like that. It was like £10. And then I thought, I've got fabric at home. Why don't I just make her one? So this afternoon, after I woke up from my nap, that is what I did. And here is the finished product. Look at that. And it's got unicorns. And it's poppers. Ugh, can't. What's that noise?
I don't know.
Oh god, I can't even undo a popper with my left hand. 2 seconds. So it's completely fluffy, and then it's got blue fleece on this side, and then it will fold. Da, 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 so that it's like this. And obviously this is then at the back of the seatbelt. This will be at the front, and then it will be like that. Whoop whoop. I think it looks pretty cool. So I've just received a WhatsApp from Soph. She's gone out to the car to put her new seatbelt cover on. She sent me a picture, one saying sad face, and then another picture saying happy face. So I'm going to insert these pictures here so that you can see what I'm on about. She's so weird. Look at this. She's just come and sat next to me, and she's like holding my boob, sat like a peeple, leg outstretched, just looking at me like, yeah mum? As if, and now look, as if it's like completely normal. Hi. Is that you? Yeah? Yeah? Is that you? So we might have found a little way around being able to go to the cinema at least once in the upcoming weeks. For a treat, like whilst we've been on this weight loss journey, we've got the bags of Rebels chocolates, and we've shared them, and on them there is cinema tickets. And if you put in, I think it's for the larger bag, if you have 2 bags you get 1 free cinema ticket. And I registered for that this morning from the 2 bags that we've saved up over many weeks, and we've now got a free cinema ticket. And with the CEA card that I've got, which allows for somebody to accompany a disabled person to help them, it gets them in free, we can actually go to the cinema. Yes! We did look for tomorrow. The Lion King is on, but it's the seats that are next to the disabled seats are gone, so we can't see it. And with these tickets, you can only watch, like, go to the cinema on a Sunday. They're like Sunday viewings only. And it's the Merlin Cinema branch that you can claim the tickets from. I don't know how many there are in the UK. So we're going to have to wait until next Sunday now to see if there's anything else we want to watch. The only problem is that the cinema that's close to us, they only show viewings up until, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, so we're gonna have to wait a few days to see what's on for next Sunday. But at least we might be able to get to the cinema, while Sophie's still trying to find this £60 voucher. Oh, I still can't, like, understand how it can be lost. I just don't get it. Don't get it at all. Hopefully one day we will find it before it kind of expires, because I know the vouchers still have an expiry date. Oops! It's the boy! Hey, I'm here. I'm here. Mmm. So oh, that tickled. Thank you. Mummy Gizmo sandwich. And on that note, thanks for coming on our day bus.